yo. What's up?
Alright guys, we're together, on est ensemble pour vous parler de l'application TOTF. We're together to talk about the application TOTF, Top on the Floor. Donc top on the Floor, ça sort lundi. It's out on Monday.
We already started. It said it's out already. It's gonna be out now. It's gonna be out on Monday, but it's kind of out already.
Not yet. Monday. You have to wait on Monday, but we will select some people to be the first one to test l'application. On va sélectionner quelques personnes sur 24 heures pour être les premiers sur l'application. L'application TOTF, Top on the Floor, sort lundi à 18h. 6 p.m. Top on the Floor.
6 p.m. French hours. Paris time.
Paris time. What do you think about it? Dis-moi.
Bro, I'm excited actually to let you know all the points of how we actually just like how can I say that? It's a process to actually just leave hip hop growing, and I never heard any process like this, like TOTF, like never in my life. If you see me out here, it's for a reason.
Ouais, donc Laurent il nous dit qu'il n'a jamais vu un process comme ça par rapport à TOTF.
Sûr.
Et franchement, ça va être fat. On va vous expliquer un petit peu plus tout à l'heure. Mais le vrai live, c'est lundi avec toutes les explications, la présentation de l'application, etc. The live we will do on Monday is to explain the functions of TOTF.
And let me explain something for you to understand why we do a live before. The live before that we are not just friends, we are not just family. We decide after all what we did to finally, and for the first time, and I'm sorry for everything we did in our life, for the first time it said that put the dancer what they deserve to be. That's all. No more dance without payment. No more dance with just the joy. No more dance and not being seen. That's all. So that means that now you're going to be seen. You're going to see others. You're going to see events. You're going to see your value. You know how many dancers dance without no damn value? This is what it is. Now you're going to know your value. And on the top of it, got the bill with it.
Voilà, donc plus de danse sans être rémunéré, plus de danse sans savoir là où vous allez, le nombre de points que vous avez, et surtout de la danse, l'argent qui dort d'habitude, c'est-à-dire que vous dansez, vous rentrez chez vous, vous êtes chez vous et vous dormez, et ben là votre argent il travaille, puisque TOTF c'est un peu notre bitcoin à nous, et c'est ce qu'on va faire de cette application.
Huge.
Yeah, it's huge.
It is the Bitcoin of the dance.
Bitcoin of the dancers. Après, il y a quoi? So, like I said, on Monday, we will explain you everything, okay? All the participants, all the dancers will get some points. You win or you just participate to a battle, que vous soyez juste participant à un battle, que vous gagnez, que vous soyez en quart, en demi, en huitième de finale, vous avez tous des points, donc vous avez un classement par rapport à ces points-là. Et on va vous expliquer après ce qu'on fera avec ces classements, parce que le classement c'est une chose, mais ce qu'on fait avec ces points c'est une autre. So you will be in the ranking, all the dancers around the world, you will have a ranking, but the ranking is not the most important part, because the ranking is just a tool to calculate, to evaluate with the brands, with the sponsors, with the fans, what we can do all together. Monday we will talk about it.
So the thing is what? Right now I'm telling you one thing. I'm Laurent from Les Twins, Criminals Crew. And I've been dancing all my life, doing all those dances, Juice de Boule, and small bottles, and big bottles, and medium bottles, which is every bottle is big. But I never get money. I've been just practice, dancing, having fun, competing everywhere in the world to get a successful name only, which is I could have get so much money just by being there and participating to all that competitions and battles everywhere in the world. Today, with TOTF, we can actually just like, as a regular man, love dance, can just literally dance, enjoy, working, practicing, and come out in a battle and get money by points out here. Can you imagine? If I had this, I would be a billionaire today. I'm sorry to say that. I know it's not just about money, but I know so many people actually been working so hard to be seen and to get money, to prove people that dance can be a job. And it is today. Right now, I want to see if you guys gonna enjoy it. Because if you don't, I don't even know if I mean it myself. I want to see how where I am in the rates. Like I want to see the, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, you gotta be a little upgraded about how life goes right now. We don't use the media for staying in the media. That's not what we're saying. We say we use the media for new format, means videos, battles, and more later, because this application keep growing up. It's not about money, it's about your value. So for the first time, you thinking that it's like, oh my God, nobody know me, it's the perfect time for you to do everything you want to do, put it out on TOTF, and get your value on your reward. So your reward will be knowing from 1 to, let's say, 100. You will know what your value is. From that, you know your points. You just have to kill all the guys on the top of it. And more you have it, more the price of it when they go up. It's so easy.
And I'm sorry, I cannot let the guy like this actually be better than me out there. You know what I'm saying? Like I have to be better than him. That's the only way. You know what I'm saying? Because otherwise, we're always going to be fighting and people talking.
And the beautiful thing is that TOTF will have a battle also. So it's like, it's you know what I'm saying? It's not just an application. It's not just the event. It's not just the one gonna pay you bills. Finally, it's gonna be the only future for the dancer from Monday to forever. It's gonna pay you bill just because what? You're a beautiful dancer. That's all. Yeah. I wish that could happen when I was young, man.
Yeah. That's what we did. That's what we did. That because we discovered that during this time, the dancers are suffering so much. So we want to help the community, the dance community, and also to help the dancers to grow and to help the dancing to go further, to help the event to go further, to help everyone, and also to make money with the whole process. Everybody can win money with this, and also the most important is that the sponsors, the dancers, the fans, and the event are linked. It's not only a question about dancers and sponsors, and we are all together. Donc voilà, c'est vraiment une application qui moi me tenait à cœur parce que vraiment c'est une application qui va aider le monde de la danse. Il y a plein de gens qui vont être liés, les sponsors, les danseurs, les fans et voilà, le monde entier, le monde de la danse va être lié. L'application sort lundi à 18h, Monday 6 p.m. Be there, and you asked me how to support the dancers. This is the way how to support the dancers.
This is a lot.
Hey, for real, I need to say something for my French people. Pour dire vrai les gars, je vous parle sincèrement. Et j'espère que toutes les personnes qui nous aiment, et surtout les personnes qui nous aiment pas, arrivent à comprendre que là en fait, c'est un amour que même moi j'ai pas eu même pour les personnes que j'ai voulu sauver dans ma vie, dans le sens où je me dis, mais si un mec, viens on se dit un mec que j'aime pas, j'ai pas une personne que j'aime pas, mais si je dis quelqu'un que j'aime pas est un danseur aussi, et le mec il a ouvert une application où tout le monde peut gagner de l'argent juste en faisant des battles, je serais obligé de mettre tout simplement c'est 2 € par mois. 2 € par mois. Et Dieu seul sait combien d'argent vous gaspillez dans n'importe quoi. 2 €. Attends, 2 € par mois sur une cagnotte qui est déjà à combien?
Elle est aujourd'hui à 1005
la cagnotte elle est à 1005. Donc sur 1005 vous allez gagner un pourcentage juste en étant les 100 premiers. Vous serez déjà remboursé juste en étant bon. Je pense qu'il y a de très bons danseurs.
Donc la cagnotte aujourd'hui elle est à
1005.
1005.
Et bien sûr, dans quelques mois, ça va revenir à 0. C'est-à-dire que tout le monde a sa chance. Et la chose que j'ai envie de te préciser, c'est marrant parce que dans le métier, c'est vrai que mon frère et moi, on a beaucoup été dans des endroits où beaucoup de danseurs n'ont jamais été, et j'en suis très très fier, où on était aussi les premiers. Pareil pour Bruce, mettre des événements là où l'événement, on ne savait pas qu'il allait grandir aussi grand, c'est des années et des années à Bercy. personne n'a jamais fait avant lui. Il faut savoir que si on s'est réunis ensemble, c'est pour la seule et unique force de vous faire comprendre qu'on n'est pas là pour prendre sur vos têtes. On est là pour vous faire comprendre que vous prenez maintenant enfin sur votre tête.
Et que ce n'est pas les événements qui gagnent.
C'est pas l'événement qui gagne. C'est-à-dire que regardez-moi. J'ai fait, on va dire, Battle Bad. J'ai gagné Battle Bad.
Qui est un très bon événement.
Qui est un événement magnifique. Donc, les points sur Battle Bad, les points d'avoir gagné. Battle Bad m'a payé parce que j'ai gagné. Merci pour Battle Bad, pour le chèque. Après, moi, j'ai mes plans qui font les effets dominos. Mais sans savoir que maintenant, si TOTF était là avant, j'aurais pu avoir de l'argent en plus parce que je suis dans l'application, parce que j'ai mis 2 mois, je mets 2 euros par mois et je sais que l'application Anime Rewards. Même grâce à ça, je monte dans les classements et je gagne de la thune dans la cagnotte.
C'est moi qui ai fait le Battle Bad. J'étais en finale contre mon frère. J'ai perdu. J'ai aucune cagnotte. Il a rien partagé. Mais TOTF aurait déjà mis des points en plus pour que je gagne de l'argent parce que j'ai participé au battle. Est-ce que tu te rends compte?
C'est énorme.
C'est un truc de fou.
Tous les danseurs ont des points. All dancers have
Tous les
points.
danseurs.
Everybody's benefits of it.
Oh, I said in English, sorry. Just to let you know, my brother was just saying right now that he actually participated to Battle Bad last year or 2 years ago. 2 years ago. 2 years ago, we did Battle Bad. It's a pretty cool battle. Dance battle 101, and my brother won the check. All right, he won the first place, and I was second. Think about it. So many people did the battle and lost in the battle event. The only person who wins is the winner. But people did it, they had no checks. They paid their own train or flight to go to the battle and do the battle and food, and you know what I'm saying? But they don't get anything right now just by just doing the battle, even losing the battle. The fact you did it will give you points until TF to get money because you did it. This is not just crazy. You know how much money you're gonna just literally build without changing your life. You're gonna stay just the same way. And an application actually is gonna work for you to make you look better.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all guys. So see you on Monday 6 p.m. On se voit lundi à 6h. Voilà, on est super content de bosser avec mon équipe et moi même ensemble sur ce projet. Donc nous trois plus Vagueshan, Rose, le Juste Debout team, le prod. Donc on est super content, on a bossé très dur. We worked really hard on this application and yeah, we are waiting for you guys now.
I can't wait! Monday is a big day!
I can wait. I'm really excited. I'm very, very excited. Thank you guys.
Much love for everybody. You already know how it is. From Brazil to Africa, Hawaii, Tahiti, anywhere.
By the way, he's right.
All dances from overseas.
It's not only a French and American one. We speak English because it's international, but Russia, Ukraine, Denmark, Spain, Italy,
Everywhere,
Portugal,
everywhere.
Africa, Australia, Japan, China,
Cameroon.
Every dances I saw everywhere
everybody
in the
from
world.
Brazil, from South Paulo, Chile, everyone, y'all welcome, especially Canada too.
Every battles are in the app.
Come in the app and be inside of the reward, and you will see you seat, you place, and your money. That's it. This is how good you are. That's how good you're gonna be. That's how good we're gonna be together. Thank you guys.
Peace guys. Love.